Jeff, why don't we stop here?
I just want some chicken nuggets.
So did we come to Brandon, Mississippi just for some chicken nuggets?
We're at Brandon's house. And
I know we're in Brandon, Mississippi.
yeah, but we're at Brandon Ponder's house. A few weeks ago, he was taking his car to the paint shop to have it painted. And somebody hit him head on and totaled it. So while we're up here, we're picking up a harness for a motor.
Here's you a K8 harness, sir.
That KA that BJ brought us, and we're gonna give him a hand. He's swapping to a new shell. So I think he's working on suspension earlier when I talked to him, and maybe we'll put the motor in. So we'll see. Let's see what he's got going on. Got gangster music going up here. You know we got to turn your radio off.
Yeah.
Copyright, YouTube. I got one more chicken nugget after this, and then I'll be in there with you. We just put those on not too long ago.
Yeah.
This plate is it? Oh, it's a totally different plate.
That's the K8 plate.
It's not even aluminum. I figured it'd be aluminum and steel. This is such a tiny broom.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, man. Tiny broom for the Bill Cherokee.
Oh,
What
I think maybe more so it shows character. Who will stick with it long enough to sweep something up with this tiny thing?
This is more tighter space. You need something a little
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like I couldn't have taken the other one, just one swoop, just got it all.
Well, if we need a bigger broom, hey, if somebody, a broom company's wanting to sponsor us, right?
Oh, Lord.
Ain't that what we do on the channel?
Are we getting a broom sponsor?
Does Milwaukee make a broom?
I said, we make shop? Yeah. This is what was going on in my garage before I got in my shop, which is constantly to do one thing, you'd have to move everything from where you moved it to get it out of the way of the last job and just constantly do it.
Enjoy cleaning, Jeff?
Yeah. All right, I'm ready to go. Let's go. That's all I came to do.
Call them the cleaning experts. Come over here.
This is what you do when you need another trans. Come pick one from the pile.
The
Bumpers? What you need?
basically just like Jeff Perkins, right?
Anything from 240. It's in here.
He's got his stuff at his parents' places, you know, warehouses, whatever you want to call it. You got yours, yours. What else are your parents good for?
Storage and 40 cars, that's it.
Yeah, basically.
So the job wasn't that great.
Well, I mean, it's hard to get it on
Yeah.
a surface like that. It's hard to get it to look good. Like,
You need to remember me when you get that Milwaukee sponsor.
did you pull your LCAs? Because I think the bolts are going through the opposite way. It's got like the long portion in the way. I can't get on it straight. Do you have like a 3/8 swivel? Right here. Thank you.
This is what Tyler, I think Tyler Barnett.
No, not Barnett.
Tyler Barnett? Tyler who? Tyler Style. He put in a little cover over there for the transmission. He added a little cover on the thing for the transmission.
The way you take it off is an SR plate?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
For sale.
For sale. You hear that, guys? Anybody, you know, contact Jeff, who contact Brandon. Or hit up Brandon on Brandon Drifts on Instagram. You can DM there.
All up in his DMs.
What Super Freestyle video would be complete without washing a transmission?
Awesome. That stuff is strong.
It's in my mouth.
That stuff's loud. Look at him with that Interstate Megatron Plus.
Hardcore.
That stuff is strong, man.
Let me get you on this Dollar General tip.
What?
Let me get you on this. That stuff's $1.
Oh, for that
98
little
cents.
bottle like that?
Yeah.
Better than putting it in there not doing anything at all. It was kind of dirty.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Jeff had to get in there. Couldn't help himself.
Well, he was skipping some little spot. He didn't want to wash it to begin with, so.
He wanted to wash it. He was originally not putting the motor in today till you came along.
Yeah.
So this is all changing his timeline.
Gotta get some shit did.
Trying to satisfy the SuperFreeStyle show.
Yeah, all the fans.
That's
That
right.
was good enough. I think it's about time to rinse.
Oh, now you say that after you've only got the little toothbrush?
Mm-hmm. Well, I'd already got the little spots. Most of them.
Thought you got them. Now they got.
Now they got gotten.
They got gotten.
All right, that's it. Turn the water on.
I don't think you're ready for that water.
Oh, that's powerful. No. Because I got a hole in the hose. Well, no, I got a bigger hole upstream in mine. Cut this valve thing off. It looks brand new. Not really, but at least it's not covered with shit now. So, oh shit. This car has keyless. Looks like maybe a remote start. Yeah, with a starter bypass and stuff. And a lot of times, like if these are old, the starter
Harbor Freight like coming in clutch. Non-free Harbor Freight.
So this is where the starter circuit was cut. And it would just run back to this relay, or there's an onboard relay in this box that disables it, like if the alarm was going off if it thought it was being stolen. And it just breaks it where it can't crank. So we're just gonna mend those two back together. If I can find the right Hey! I gotta put two wires back together and then tape one spot up and it'll be completely gone. I don't really like that I'm gonna end up with three connections right here. If I were to cut both of them out and try to do the wires back together, they'd be too short. So I'm gonna do that here since they're nice and solid. Same for these two up here as well. Alright, looks gross, but it's definitely gonna work.
This all the assembly bimbly.
Okay. I guess that means it passed its inspection. Quality control.
Hey, Milwaukee.
I need one.
Milwaukee hooks up.
Yeah. Hey, Milwaukee, we're talking to you.
Can't help himself, folks. It's a technique. This is a new tandem technique.
My problem. And that's what I needed help with. I mean, you're in the hole. I'm pushing forward.
There it is.
Yeah, boy.
Just had to bump it a little bit.
Yeah, boy.
A little persuasion.
That makes me happy. I don't like this position.
Wish this crossover was clean.
You already said you don't like this position.
Just pick the whole thing up, just set it over in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
It's just an aluminum V8, aluminum head, right?
You know, no big deal.
He picks up air conditioning units all the time.
yeah. Literally do.
Oh,
What's
here
up?
he is. You're just in time.
You had a misfortunate issue happen.
You know, she was running good, and then she wasn't running so
What
good.
happened, man?
It started making like a tick.
Why are you going around the
No,
track?
after I got off. And it was up high, kind of sounded like maybe a lifter had collapsed or something.
Yeah.
Because they're hydraulic lifter. And I didn't have anything on the site to fix it. We pulled the valve cover.
What I need to
you know,
do?
No, you're good. You can come back.
She's a big one.
All right, whoa, yeah.
Yeah, I lost it.
That thing got away from you.
Yeah.
Wasn't too bad.
comes forward some. Push the motor in.
I need to go forward some?
Yeah.
Like towards the car?
Yeah. That's a little better. Now come down here.
Hey, what about the engine mounts? I know they don't bolt straight to the cross member.
Good, dude.
Huh?
Good. It goes straight to it.
No way.
Solid mount, dude. You can. This is a balanced motor, dude.
I know, I know. We already talked about it earlier.
The Lexus LS400 is designed to stir the soul and not much else.
Hey, you cut my wire. Why'd you do that?
How did you see that? Like, how did you see the one wire I cut? I cut one wire.
Well, I recognize my little heat shrink contraption.
Your technique?
Yeah. Man, this makes me want to put a 1UZ in something. Look how nice it looks in there. All the Toyota goodness.
Say that again?
No,
Yes.
no.
I wasn't recording.
I'm not locking myself into that. We're trying to go to California. I'm saying it looks like it fits in here well. It looks like it'd be easy to line up. That should be really close.
It's real close.
Where'd my light go? It is. What's up? What are we doing wrong? There's something hanging right there, a fuel line or something. I don't think it's trapped or anything though. If you get under there and do the transmission cross member, it'll be straight then. Then you tuck these down.
Alright, guys. I mean,
Let's do it. Let's put this thing in here.
It is in there.
Well, I mean, like, bolt it down.
I don't think I'm going to use it. Bit too tight. I'm a big boy.
Look at somebody other than me on the ground going under a car in the vlog.
Will you hand me my big flat head so I can, not sure you're definitely, oh, it's in the car. You have to replace this trans mount. This is screwed. Yeah.
I was wondering. You didn't put any bolts back in the shifter.
Yeah, no, I haven't put that in.
Oh shit, it's offset. Oh, I see. You just slotted the holes back.
Oh, this one was. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here's one.
You know what? My shit's about to be running, and your shit's about to be...
Okay. Do you have the studs are on the transmission?
Well,
hose?
I'm about to get up under there and make sure that these are lined up. I'm going to set a bolt.
See it? I need a tool I can use as a hammer or something.
I got a
Huh? I tried the flat tip, but don't wait in here. This will work. 1/2 inch drive ratchet. This pin is like seized in here. When's the last time it's been folded up? All right, guys, we got the 1UZ and the S13. I think maybe this thing's gonna be going, what, in the next week or two?
Definitely.
Yeah, all right, and then maybe we'll end up in Mexico or maybe in my backyard doing some testing soon.
We're going to Mexico.
Yep. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Holla.